Hello everyone and welcome to my channel HTML Professor. So today we are typing the 10th program. So let's get started. We all know that we have to first open the notepad. Now let us type the program. It is also about the marquee tag which we have done in previous program. I have given the description of marquee tag in previous program. The new thing in this program is about a marquee behavior. So let's see. HTML tag, heading tag. We will end the header tag, body tag, marquee behavior, slide direction. We will give the direction left, scroll amount. We will give it 3 and HTML. Now will end the marquee tag. Now we'll repeat the same. You can copy and paste this same sentence. Now we'll make the changes, the necessary changes. There's little bit changes. We'll change the scroll amount to 10 and we'll change the direction from slide to scroll. This is the change, and the third one also. We'll change the scroll amount to 17 and the same way direction will remain as it is, but marquee behavior will change. Scroll. The marquee behavior tag is used to scroll, slide or alternate. So now we'll end the program. We'll end the body tag and in the same way HTML tag. Now we'll save it. As it is the 10th program, 10 dot, which will save it with extension HTML. We'll save the file type as all files. Now we'll check the output. So now you can see it. The scroll amount, I have given the first, third, 3, so it will move slowly. The second I have given 10, so it will move fast, little bit fast. fastest one. So let us check. Slow, fast, and faster. So this is the output of marquee tag.